What's up, everyone? So today we're going to assemble the rolling seat. Finally, we have it, courtesy of this girl right here that doesn't want her face shown. So let me just get the tools. So step one is insert top of lifting pole. Okay. I think I got it. Okay, turns out you don't need any tools. You're just gonna stick these three things together. So if you're wondering what brand it is, I don't know, but it looks good. I mean, the casters are good. And it's just gonna roll around here in its lifetime, so I'm not expecting any premature wear. So if you're wondering where this came from, you can get it from reflectionscarcare.com. Just go to that website, and if you're in Manila only or in the Philippines, that's where you can get it easily. He has a lot of stuff there, so head over. Let me just stick this pole into that hole. A closer look at the seat. Shiny leather. This one's heavy. And then we have 5 casters. Here's the sound it makes. Let's do some measurements from max to minimum. Alright, so the length, its maximum height is 21, and the minimum is 16. So save your back, get one of these. Okay, so what's next for this channel? Here's the stuff that we're gonna review. We have the claw pad tool from Rupes, some suede applicators for coatings, clean tire shine applicator. Pretty cool. This is pretty cool. It hugs the sidewall. And we also have a green monster. Okay, so this 3 stuff came from Philip from Blacksheep Towels. Thank you, sir. We'll be testing this out. Other clean things that we have: the glass shine claw, a drying duo. This is the mini for the sides, for the door jambs, for the wheels if you can. We also have the drying duo big towel. This is Duca edition. The father of this mini, so it's a full-size towel, 2-sided. This one is 1-sided. We also have 0 finish towels in gray, the 5-pack. We also have a dual wash mitt, and something I got off Lazada is a wool mitt. Look at that. This thing is so soft. So we're gonna compare that to our current media, which is the wash pad from Clean and the Drying Duo HD. This is a warrior. If you haven't used the twisted pile for drying, you're missing out. It saves you a lot of time. So those are the stuff that we're gonna test. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.